What's up, guys? Hope you are doing well. Today we're talking about a sneaker from a brand that's had a pretty good year. I mean, one of two brands I think have had very good years. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give you a little sneak of one of the other brands that I'm referring to. But this is not what we're talking about today, just a little sneak peek. Look at those. Ha. All right, teasers are over. The other brand I'm talking about, I feel like had a pretty good year this year in terms of lots of releases and lots of very dope releases, is Yeezy brand. Now, they have been kind of selective with drops in the past. It just feels like in 2021, there were a ton of Yeezy drops, lots of newer silhouettes, brand new models that we have never seen before. I think it was a great year for Yeezy, and also a lot of great re-releases happened this year to kind of help us out for those of us who don't want to pay ridiculous resale prices. It's been an overall good year. This model we're talking about in particular today is one of the models that I think had a really good year for itself as well, because we hadn't seen much from this model in the past. Today we are talking about the Yeezy 700 MNVN, the minivans, I guess, in this amazing metallic colorway. This is the super versatile 700 MNVN that I have been personally waiting for. But before we get into it, let's first take a closer look. Alright guys, welcome back, and now that you've seen a closer look of these bad boys right here, welcome to the channel. My name is Steve. Thank you for joining us, and if you are new here, consider joining the family on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Your likes, comments, subscription, engagement, all that is what makes the sneaker channel great. It's not me, it's you, and I appreciate each and every last one of you. Also, check out the helpful links down in the description below: protective shoe spray and cleaning kits to keep your kicks clean, my favorite sneaker books, as well as links to cop these bad boys. Of course, there's more than likely not going to be any retail links for these anymore. I'm going to drop the eBay link though down in the description. You click on that, it's going to take you right to the search for these right here. You can get your size. eBay, of course, has the authenticity guarantee as well, so you can buy securely and know that you're getting a legit pair. This is not sponsored by eBay, but eBay, you can bang the line. My email is in my profile. Now, remember, I don't always talk about the hyped or more expensive sneakers on this channel. I just dropped the best sneakers under $100 for 2022. Seriously dope kicks for under $100. That will be linked at the end of this video. You can find that on my channel as well. So subscribe if you're looking for dope sneaker content like this. Now, the Yeezy 700 MNVN. Still, we don't really know what that MNVN stands for, so I lovingly call them the minivans. They are a kind of maybe stripped down, maybe more of an economy version of the other Yeezy 700s, but personally, I don't think it lacks what the other 700s give you. I think it's a great shoe in its own right. The big difference, obviously, is going to be the materials and, of course, branding. This is one of the Yeezy sneakers that has more overt branding, I would say, than just about any other Yeezy shoe or slide or whatever. Branding is typically not heavy on the part of the Yeezy line. Before this one dropped, the only one I can think of that has big branding on the side of it was the 350s that would have the little strip, and that was relatively small compared to this. This is a big block 700 going across the lateral side of the shoe, and that to me is one of the more defining factors of the 700 MNVNs to begin with. The other thing is the material. So unlike other Yeezy sneakers where you get a lot of nice knits, maybe you get some suedes and leathers, this one is like a ripstoppy nylon type of finish, and it definitely doesn't feel as high-end as other Yeezy shoes. However, it doesn't feel like you're not getting what you pay for, because this is a more attractive price point to begin with, and I think it looks and feels great. It doesn't feel like a cheap shoe. And of course, in terms of the quality and the fit and the ultra boost you got going on in this sneaker, you also don't feel it lacking there as well, which is why I appreciate and like this sneaker for all those reasons. Plus, it's not crazy on the hype scale, so you can get a lot of these colorways, including one of my favorites, the Honey Flux, for at retail or a little bit above retail, maybe even a little bit below retail depending on your shoe size. Though I'm typically a size 12, so it seems like if there's even minimal hype on a sneaker, I'm always paying over retail. It's just, it is what it is. But this one was an easy cop when it launched on the Yeezy Supply site, and I don't think you're gonna have a hard time getting your hands on a pair for a good price, and you're getting such a great shoe. Like I said in the beginning, this one is just versatile. This metallic colorway is simply blacks and grays and maybe like a touch of white. The only white I really see is on the bottom there. So it's a black and gray colorway, black and silver, I guess, because it is metallic. And this, just think about all the things that you can do with this. This is a nice foundational shoe that you can pair with all kinds of different looks and fits, and it's something that can work in the winter as well as the summer. It's just going to be a great everyday shoe, and if you're looking for something from Yeezy brand that is not not too crazy like the 450s or like the knit boots or knit runners or whatever the case. You want something that is just fits in more to your daily style. This is the one to go for. This is definitely the model to go for. Obviously 350s of course are great in the same way, but maybe you want to change it up. That's why I love these 700 MNVNs. Now in terms of fit, Yeezy shoes can be a little sneaky. A lot of them do run smaller. This one runs true to size for me at least. I enjoy it with the true size. I think it goes on easily. I am a fan of the infinity laces here. Some people don't like them. You always have the option to cut them off and put in your own custom laces. Now unfortunately this one did not come with the extra set of laces like the 380s do, but either way you can find yourself a nice custom pair or an aftermarket pair of laces to put in there if you don't like this. I'm a fan of these though, because you just slide your foot in, tug on the top of the infinity lace with this nice little rubber piece they have here for grip, and you're good to go, which is one of the things I always love about sneakers, especially the ones that I want in everyday use type of sneakers. I want them to be easy on, easy off. Like it should be almost as close as just throwing on a pair of slides. For me, I mean, I'm just like a freak of efficiency like that. I just don't want to always have to sit down and go through the whole lacing of a sneaker. It just takes time, and now that I have children, I mean, I have even less time. So efficiency is key, and that's one of the things I look for in just about everything in life. This sneaker gives it to you as well as a seriously dope look. The Ultra Boost in the midsole, of course, gives you that wonderful everyday comfort without being too squishy, which is what I like about these as compared to like 350s. Sometimes that extra squishiness is just too much for me. I prefer more of a stable platform with a little bit of give. That's what these give you. Great traction pattern, should be good for everyday use. You're not going to have any issues with this. And of course, this upper, the way it's constructed, this is definitely more of a weatherproofed upper than a lot of other Yeezy shoes, because this ripstop nylon-y stuff it's really all one piece, and it looks like there's some kind of bonded seams here in the back. This feels like something that can really get splashed, take some weather, some snow, some rain, and it's going to keep your foot drier than a lot of other sneakers in general, especially those other Yeezy shoes that are like knit, right? I mean, knit is just, it is what it is. The water's going to soak right through and then you're done. This one has more weatherproofing, which is another reason why I enjoy it so much. Overall, guys, I gotta say that these versions of the 700s that have dropped this year in 2021 have been some of my favorite releases, and I'm going to drop my top 10 favorite Yeezy sneaker releases from 2021 as well, so definitely hit the like and subscribe to get notified for that. You gotta hit the bell as well to get notified. It's imperative that you hit the bell if you want to get the notifications for it, so thank you in advance. You guys are the best. So let me know where you think this colorway ranks with all of the 700 MNVNs. Obviously, this could be too plain for some people, a little too straightforward. I think it's one of the dopest because of the versatility it adds, but I want to know what you think down in the comments below. All right, guys, and that does it for me on this video of the Yeezy 700 MNVNs in this amazing metallic colorway. I'm a super big fan of these. Like I said, let me know what you think about them down in the comments below, and I will hit you back. Also, if you haven't yet joined the fam, we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. We're almost at 5,000, which is mind-blowing to me, and I appreciate each and every last one of you, so I want you guys to join and be a part of the ride. You're what makes a sneaker channel great. It's not me, it's you, and I appreciate each and every last one of you. Also, the helpful links down in the description below: protective shoe spray and cleaning kits to keep your kicks clean, my favorite sneaker books, as well as any links to cop if I can find them. But like I said, these are not going to have any retail links at this point. I will have the link to eBay for you to cop these at secondary. Authenticity is guaranteed, so hit that eBay link to get these in your size. And with all that being said, hope you have a good day, good evening, good night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.